We got the brand new LED projection alarm clock. This thing is amazing. Got good review on Amazon. This project to your ceiling on the wall. It's a 180 turn. Let's unbox this right now. You have 3 level of brightness dimmer. Amazing. Look at that. Carved design, USB charger, and switchable. Let's check this out. All right, so we're going to unbox this. So that's pretty cool. Comes in a bubble wrap, so it's all protected. That's amazing. Wow, they got a nice plastic over there. Comes with instruction right here. This will tell you right there how to adjust it, how to set it, how to set your alarm, volume, and the time. This is amazing. Look at this. Wow, I love the curve on it, if you guys could see the curve. This clocks come with the USB charger and the head part. Most companies do not send you this head part. You have to buy that separate, but this is awesome. We're gonna put it to plug it in and test it out. I just plugged it in and trying to make it a little dark so it's gonna light up right now, but you can see there's a USB here where you can put your phone into charge to, and on the top right it tells you right here on the top right here we have all the button, and this is the projector one, and we're gonna test it out, make sure it works. We're gonna cut off the light. So I love how the light is this bright, and then I kind of aim this over here, so you see that right there? That's pretty cool. So we're gonna move this so you guys can see. Look, it's kind of a little bright right now. I'm going to do it back in the night, another video to show you. But look at this. This is awesome. And as the higher you go, the number expand bigger. So you could see on the ceiling. But this is awesome. And this is amazing. So this is good. My teenager son, this is going to come in handy for him because he gets up early in the morning. So he's going to be, when he's looking up on the bed, on the ceiling, he'll see the time. And his alarm will go off. And this is amazing that he could adjust and he could put his phone to charge. So check the link in the description box for details and price. This is amazing right now. It does have good review. People said it's loud enough, it's clear enough, it's bright enough, and it has a lot of features on it. And for the price, you cannot go wrong. It's amazing. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Give a thumbs up, and subscribe for more upcoming videos on Product Zone. Is 100% free.